All right, let's start the lesson number 4. The first sentence structure is S1이 V1 할 때 S2가 V2 합니다. 했습니다. Which means when S1 V1, S2 V2. As you can see, there are two subjects and two verbs in this sentence. And the letter 때 functions as a conjunction when in English. And 합니다 is the present tense form and 했습니다 is the past tense form. As you can see, double 시옷, that is to say, 쌍시옷, under 해, this final sound, which is also called the 받침, represents the past tense. Okay, the schematic diagram is as follows. Alright, simple sentence number 1. 당신이 외로울 때 제가 당신 곁에 있어 줄게요. When you feel lonely, I will stay with you. 당신 is you and 이 is the subjective case. 외로울 때 came from an adjective, 외로운, which means lonely. The final sound, 니은 under 우, has been replaced with 리을, and 때 is placed behind it. So 외로운 is changed into 외로울 때. Alright, to sum up so far, 당신이 외로울 때 is the same as when you feel lonely. 제가 is I as an honorific form of 내가. And 곁에 is with, and 있어 줄게요 is I will stay. So 당신이 외로울 때 제가 당신 곁에 있어 줄게요. When you feel lonely, I will stay with you. Number 2, 당신이 저에게 전화했을 때 저는 샤워를 하고 있었습니다. When you called me, I was taking a shower. 당신 is you and 저에게 is used as an honorific of the verb 전화하다, which means to call. So 당신이 저에게 전화했을 때 is the same as when you called me. And 저는 is I and shower is written as it sounds in English words shower, and 를 is the objective case. By the way, 샤워하다 is to take a shower, and 샤워를 하고 있었습니다 is the past progressive tense form. So 샤워를 하고 있었습니다 is was taking a shower. So 당신이 저에게 전화했을 때 저는 샤워를 하고 있었습니다. When you called me, I was taking a shower. Number 3, 해가 졌을 때 우리는 집으로 돌아왔습니다. When the sun had set, we returned home. 해 is the sun and 가 is the subjective case. 졌을 때 is composed of 졌다 and 때. 졌다 is the past tense form of 지다, which means the sun sets. And as I said, 때 is the conjunction when, right? So 해가 졌을 때 is the same as when the sun had set. 우리는 is we and 집 is home. And 으로 is a kind of a post position representing direction. And 돌아왔습니다 is the past tense form of 돌아오다, which means to return. So 해가 졌을 때 우리는 집으로 돌아왔습니다. When the sun had set, we returned home. Number 4, 당신이 한국어를 공부할 때 K-드라마가 도움이 될 것입니다. When you study Korean, K-dramas will be helpful. 당신이 is you and 한국 is Korea. And the letter means language. So 한국어 is Korean language, right? And 를 is the objective case. And 공부할 때 is also composed of 공부하다 and 때. 공부하다 is to study, and if you remove 다 and place the final sound, the 리을 under 하, and place 때 behind it, that is to say 공부할 때. This is the same as when you study. So 당신이 한국어를 공부할 때 is when you study Korean, and drama is written as it sounds in English word drama, and 가 is the subjective case. 도움이 될 것입니다 can be divided into 도움이 되는 and 리을 것입니다. The first is helpful and the other is will. If you remove 는 and place the final sound, the 리을 under 돼, that is will be helpful. So 당신이 한국어를 공부할 때 K-드라마가 도움이 될 것입니다. When you study Korean, K-dramas will be helpful. Number 5. 제가 길을 걷고 있을 때 저는 저의 친구 중에 한 사람을 만났습니다. When I was walking on the street, I met a friend of mine. 제가 is I and 길 is street. And 길을 걷다 is to walk on the street. But 길을 걷고 있을 때 is the past progressive tense form. Was walking on the street. So 제가 길을 걷고 있을 때 is when I was walking on the street. 저는 is I and 저의 is my. 친구 is a friend. And 중의 is among. And 한 is one. And 사람 is a person. But if we combined these words, that is to say, 저의 친구 중에 한 사람 can be expressed as a friend of mine in English, right? And 을 is the objective case, and 만났습니다 is the past tense form of 만나다, which means to meet. So 제가 길을 걷고 있을 때 저는 저의 친구 중에 한 사람을 만났습니다. When I was walking on the street, I met a friend of mine. All right, let's call it a day. I'll see you next time. Bye.